Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to recap the key takeaways to solidify your learning experience. So, in short, what you have learned in this course is harnessing ChatGPT's core features. You explored the power of ChatGPT 4, including real-time web browsing, the code interpreter, and advanced functionalities. You've also mastered prompt engineering. Now, you've learned how to craft effective prompts using techniques like role-playing, chain-of-thought reasoning, and reverse prompting. You've also become a productivity powerhouse. You've discovered how to use ChatGPT to automate email writing, summarize text, and generate actionable insights effortlessly. You've also learned new skills with AI. From coding to language learning, ChatGPT became your virtual tutor, breaking down complex topics into manageable steps. You've also learned how to apply ChatGPT to real life. Through practical demonstrations, you saw how ChatGPT can handle data analyses, write persuasive emails, and even create tailored workflows. So, what's next? Now that you've mastered these skills, it's time to apply them to your personal and professional life. Remember, the key is to experiment and refine your prompts as you use ChatGPT to solve new challenges. Thank you for joining this journey. Your superpower with ChatGPT begins here.